Today, we will talk about how to start a laundry business from home. Let's have a look at the details. Laundry is an essential part of life for most people. As long as clean clothes are in demand, a laundry business will be too. After all, not everyone has their own washer and dryer, or the time, or desire, to wash their clothes themselves. This makes starting a business in the laundry industry a great option for budding entrepreneurs. Step 1. Decide what kind of laundry business you want to start. You may choose to open a laundry business that allows customers to come in and do their laundry using your machines. Or you can also offer wash and fold services, where customers can drop off their laundry and then pick it up once it's done. You might also decide to offer all of these services to your customers. Whichever you choose, you'll need washing and drying machines and a location for the business. You also have the option of buying into a laundromat franchise rather than building a new business from the ground up. It can be helpful to work within an already existing and successful framework that a franchise provides. Ultimately, with all of these options, you'll want to take the time to do your research before you decide which idea to move forward with. Step 2. Choose a business name. Think of all the clever, catchy, and memorable names you can come up with, but make sure it's also describing your business and is memorable and easy to pronounce. Step 3. Choose a business entity. If you decide to start your laundry business as a limited liability company, you'll have liability protection for yourself and other business members. On the other hand, if you opt for something like a general partnership or sole proprietorship, you won't have liability protection, but you also won't have to register your business with the state. Step 4. Write a business plan. You can either write your business plan on your own or you can use a business plan template to help streamline the process, but either way, there is some key information you should make sure to include in the plan. You can check the description box for the best laundry business course. Step 5. Register your business and get an EIN. Some states allow businesses to register online, typically through the Secretary of State or Chamber of Commerce website, but other states require businesses to register in person with paper documents. It's always wise to consult a business lawyer who can help you keep track of the documents and registrations your business needs to file. An employer identification number or an EIN number is helpful for businesses when applying for a bank account, filing taxes, and more. It's sometimes referred to as a business tax ID number. Step 6. Get the proper permits and licenses. The licenses and permits you need to run your laundry business will vary depending on the state where you'll be operating. Step 7. Get the proper equipment. You need to give your attention to buying the equipment to make your laundry business operational. Depending on the size of your business, you may need over 20 washing machines and 20 dryers. Some other essential laundromat equipment, besides the washers and dryers themselves, to get are change machines, credit card payment systems, laundry carts, oversized washing machines, security cameras, soap dispensers, and vending machines. Step 8. Open a business bank account. You'll need to open a business bank account so you can separate your business and personal finances. This is important for many reasons, including simplifying your taxes and helping to protect your personal assets if your business is the recipient of legal action. Step 9. Market your laundromat. Nowadays many people search online to find new businesses. Make sure your business is easy to find online by creating a user-friendly website, which should list basic business information like your business hours, your business address, and contact information. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.